Passive five passive income idea that actually works in 2025. Everyone wants to make money without constantly working for it. This is where passive income comes in. In 2025, earning passive income is easier than ever thanks to technology and new financial opportunities. In this video, I will share 5 passive income ideas that actually work in 2025. These are real, proven methods that can help you build financial freedom. Whether you are a beginner or someone looking to add new income streams, these ideas will help you earn money while you sleep. What is passive income? Passive income is money that you earn with little to no daily effort, unlike a regular job where you work for a paycheck. Passive income allow you to make money even when you are not working. Some passive income sources require an initial investment of time, effort, or money, but once set up, they can generate incomes automatically. Idea 1. Investing in dividend stock. One of the easiest way to earn passive income is by investing in dividend stock. These are stock that pay you a portion of the company's earning in the form of dividend. Companies in sectors like healthcare, technology, and consumer goods often pay regular dividends. If you invest in the right companies, you can earn a steady stream of passive income every month. For beginners, index fund and ETFs are great options. These funds invest in multiple stocks, reducing risk while still paying dividend. The more shares you own, the more passive income you earn. Idea second is real estate rentals. Owning rental property is one of the best way to generate long-term passive income. When you own a property and rent it out, you receive monthly rent payment. In 2025, real estate is still a strong evidence or investment, and rental demands continue to grow. If you do not have enough capitals to buy a property, real estate investment trust REITs allow you to invest in real estate without owning physical property. Short-term rentals like Airbnb are also a great way to earn money. Renting out a spare room or a vacation home can generate significant income with minimum effort. Idea third is selling digital products. Creating and selling digital products is one of the most scalable passive income ideas. Unlike physical products, digital products can be sold repeatedly without additional cost. Some of the best digital products to sell include ebooks, online course, templates, stock photos, and software. Once created, they can be sold on platforms like Amazon, Udemy, Gumroad, or your own website. For example, if you have expertise in a subject, you can create an online course and sell it worldwide. Every time someone buys your course, you earn money without doing anything extra. Idea 4 is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest way to make passive income online. You promote product or services through a special link, and when someone's buy through your link, you earn a commission. Amazon Associate, ClickBank, and Share a Sale. are popular affiliate program. You can promote products through a blog, YouTube channel, or social medias. For example, if you run a tech blog, you can recommend gadgeted and earn a commission on every sale. The key to success in affiliate marketing is choosing the right products and creating valuable content. Idea 5 is automated online business. Building an automated online businesses is a great way to generate passive income. This can include drop shipping, print on demand, or subscription based businesses. Drop shipping allow you to sell product without holding inventory. When someone places an order, the supplier ship the product directly to the customer. Print on demand lets you sell custom designed product like t-shirt and mugs without handling production. Subscription based businesses like membership site or SaaS software as a service can also provide monthly requiring revenue. Once set up, these businesses can generate consistent passive income with minimum effort. How to get started with passive incomes? Well, passive income does not require daily effort. It does not require some works in the beginning. You need to invest time, money, or a skill to set up a system that runs on its own. Choose on ideas that fits your skill and interest. Focus on building it, and once it is successful, you can add more passive income stream. The goal is to create multiple sources of income that keep growing over time. Passive income is the key to financial freedom. By investing in dividend stock, real estate, digital products, affiliate market, and automated businesses, you can earn money without constantly working. If you want to learn more about passive income, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Let me know in the comments which passive income ideas you are most excited about. Thanks for watching these videos.